Now students, question number 6, and the question number 6 is word problem. In this question, what is given? Sachi had to return a book to library. She read 1 upon 2 of it on first day. First day she read 1 by 2 of it, 1 by 3 of it on second day, 1 by 6 of it on third day. See whether she could finish book before returning to library. And students, as you can see in your book, in bracket hint also given. In this hint, what is given? What we will do here, students, we will take the sum of the given fractions. If it is equal to 1, it means she will rate full book. She will rate full book if the sum will be 1. So students, on first day she read only 1 by 2, on second day 1 by 3, on third day 1 by 6. So first of all, students, we will write statements for first day, second day and third day. Then afterwards we will find the sum of given fraction, and then we will see if they are equal to 1 or less than 1. Now students, first statement, Sachi read book on first day is equals to 1 by 2. Second, Sachi read book on second day is equals to 1 by 3. Third, Sachi read book on third day is equals to 1 by 6. Now students, total portion of book read by Sachi is equals to, we will add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here students, we will take LCM of 2, 6 and 3, and LCM will be 6. Now 1 by 1 we will make denominator same. So 1 by 2, when you will multiply by 3 upside and downside, it will be 3 by 6. Then 1 by 3, when you will multiply by 2 upside and downside, it will be 2 by 6. Then this 1 by 6 you will multiply with 1, it will be 1 by 6. Now all are having same denominator. You can add easily 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So students, 6 will be your LCM. Now 3 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 6 upon 6, then you will get 1. And students, in hint it is given that if their sum will be 1, it means she will return book before reading all the book she will return. Okay students, when your sum will come 1, it means she has read full book before returning. Okay students, so like this you can do question number 6. Now students, question number 8 I am taking here directly, because question number 7 is your homework. You will try with yourself, and question number 9 also. Okay students. Now students, question number 8 is, Kamya walked for 1 by 3 kilometer on Saturday. On Sunday she walked 1 upon 4 kilometer more. How much distance did she walk on Sunday? Students, on Saturday she walked 1 by 3, and on Sunday she walked 1 by 4 more than Saturday. Okay student, so first of all we will write statement here. So student, first statement is, Kamya walked on Saturday 1 by 3 kilometer, means 7 upon 3 kilometer. Now she walked on Sunday 1 upon 4 kilometer more than Saturday. It means 1 upon 4 means, students, you can write 5 upon 4 kilometer more than Saturday. So we are to find how much distance she walked on Sunday. So students, you will write she walked on Sunday. What you will do here students? In 7 upon 3 we will add 5 upon 4, because they said she walked on Sunday 5 upon 4 kilometer more than Saturday. So 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 4 kilometer. Here students, LCM will be 12. LCM of 3 and 4, it will be 12. Then we will make denominator same by multiplying 7 upon 3 by 4. It will be 28 upon 12. Then 5 upon 4, we will multiply denominator and numerator by 3. It will be 15 upon 12. Now students, when we will add 12 will be LCM. Then 28 plus 15 will come as it is. Now 28 plus 15, it will be 43 upon 12 kilometer. Student, this 43 upon 12, because 12 is denominator and it is less than numerator, so we can convert this into mixed fraction, and then when you will convert this mixed fraction by dividing 43 by 12, you will get 7 upon 12 kilometer. So students, Kamya walked on Sunday 7 upon 12 kilometer. So students, in our today's class exercise 5.6 we have completed. Question number 9, as I told you will do, because in question number 9 you are to find total weight. Total weight you are to find. So in total, as you know, we have to just add all the given fractions. So students, now it will be your homework, complete exercise 5.6, and in our new class we will start new topic, subtraction of fractions. Okay students, thank you all and have a nice day.